Imagine a creature that can regrow parts of its body, like limbs or even spinal cord segments, something we humans can only dream of. Today, let's explore the incredible world of regeneration, focusing on one unique animal, the platypus. The platypus is a semi-aquatic mammal native to Australia, known for its unique features like a bill resembling a duck and venomous spurs. But did you know it also has remarkable regenerative abilities that could one day help humans? Regeneration in animals involves the ability to regrow lost body parts. While some, like axolotls and certain lizards, have been extensively studied, platypuses hold unique insights due to their complex biology. Recent studies suggest that platypuses can regenerate parts of their spinal cord, a biological superpower. This capability involves complex cellular and molecular processes that scientists are still unraveling. Understanding platypus regeneration could pave the way for medical breakthroughs in treating spinal injuries or even degenerative diseases. The key lies in deciphering how their cells activate and regenerate damaged tissues. Regeneration. Studies in animals like the platypus offer hope for future medical treatments. By mimicking these natural processes, researchers aim to develop therapies that could allow humans to heal from severe injuries more effectively. In conclusion, the platypus' regenerative capabilities are a window into potential future medical treatments. Their unique biology provides hope and inspiration for scientists working to enhance human healing through regeneration. Did you know about the platypus's incredible regenerative powers? This is just scratching the surface of how nature's solutions can inspire medical advancements. What do you think could be discovered next?